Hi everyone, this is Kat from Petite Plan. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our habit tracker for Google Sheets. Our spreadsheet has been designed to track your daily and weekly habits with lots of helpful overviews and dynamic charts. So this is what the spreadsheet looks like. We have 20 spaces for daily habit categories over here. Once you update these and select the goal you want to hit, all of the progress bars and charts will begin to automatically update as you log your habits. Up the top, we have a view of our progress over time. The smoother this graph looks, the more consistently you're hitting your targets. And on the top right, we have an overall progress chart for our daily habits to see how much further we need to go to reach our goals for this month. Just under that, we have progress bars for each daily goal, and if we scroll down, these vertical progress bars here will show you how consistently you're hitting all of your goals each day and overall. The top 5 daily habits will update as you go to show you the habit goals you're most consistently achieving. Down the bottom here, we have the weekly habit section. You can input up to 10 custom categories each week, and there's also a little bonus section on the right here for anything extra you want to work towards this month. Same as above, there's lots of helpful charts that show how close you are to reaching your goal, and another overall progress chart here on the left to show you your weekly progress overall. This template is super easy to use, so now let's run through the steps. I recommend keeping this template tab blank and making copies of it for every month so you don't have to go through and delete everything when you need a new tab. So we'll just right click here, hit duplicate, and start a new habit tracker. Let's call it November because I'm filming in November, and we'll click the drop down menu and hit November there as well. The 5th week of the month will grey out depending on how many days there are so you don't get confused. Next, we're going to input all our categories in the daily section, and right next to it we're going to type in the number of days we're aiming for. After that, all you need to do is come in and tick the little boxes as you go, and the whole spreadsheet will update automatically for you. It's the exact same process for the weekly section. Just input your goals for each week and check off as you complete. There's also a little goal section over here where you can type in something you'd like to inspire you this month. And that is it. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below or shoot me a message at my Etsy store, Petite Plan. I'll put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.